Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is called Giselle. If you are joining me for the very first time, thank you so much for joining. I really hope you enjoy my content, and please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can always see when I post a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this everyday fall makeup look. Even though the weather is giving summer, I wanted to do this video for you guys because I just thought it might be such an easy and just a simple way of doing a fall makeup look for everyday purposes, in case you don't have the time to be, you know, doing such a full glam. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I've listed all of the products that I've used in the description box below, so do make sure you check out the description box below for all of those products. And yeah, so guys, I am going in with the Infallible Primer from L'Oreal, and I'm just applying that all over my face. This is just a good primer to use, and it helps your makeup to last all day long. After priming, I am grabbing my e.l.f. Camo concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm just going to apply that onto the areas that I want to contour. As you guys can see, I'm doing my makeup in the reverse order. It's called underpainting, and I just like sometimes doing my makeup this way because I just find that my makeup looks really nice overall, and just the contrast of everything comes together. So that's what I am doing here, and then I'm just blending it out with a brush. Then after that, I am using the beautiful Skin Radiant concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade 9 if I'm not mistaken, but if I am wrong, I'll put it in the description box for you guys. And I'm just going in with this on the areas that I want to highlight, the areas that I want to stand out. So I'm just applying it all over those areas, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender. Once I'm done with the concealers, we're moving on to foundation. I'm not actually using foundation this time around. I'm just using this skin tint from Fenty Beauty. I love using the skin tint on days where I just don't want to apply foundation and apply, you know, just a lot of makeup. I just find that the skin tint pretty much covers up all my blemishes and imperfections, and it is just a quick and easy product to use. So I'm just applying all of that onto the areas that I want to blend in that product. And then after that, I'm using my setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just applying that onto the areas where we've highlighted with the Charlotte Tilbury concealer.
Whilst the powder is setting in place, I am grabbing this mega bronzer in the shade Warm from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just adding that onto the areas that we've contoured with the cream contour, and this just helps to add more character and just define those areas a bit more, and also just to bring back that warmth into the skin. Moving on to the eyes, guys, I have done my eyebrows off camera just for quickness. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. I will list it in the description box below. I'm just using this warm color of brown here, and I'm just applying that onto my crease and then working it all around the eyelid area. I just wanted to use one eyeshadow for this tutorial because I just think when you're doing an everyday makeup, you don't want to be you know, using a lot of products and a lot of eyeshadow palettes. You just want it to be super quick, ease of time, so that's what I'm going in with. And then, guys, I'm going to take the eyeshadow with a little blending brush, and I'm just going to work that eyeshadow onto the lower lash area. I always like to do this because it just completes my eyeshadows and just the eye makeup that I like to go for. If you don't want to do that, you can leave that out, but for me, I just think it looks really complete. So I'm just blending that all over the lower lash area, and then once I finish, I'm just grabbing my glow fixing spray from Makeup Revolution and spritzing the whole of my face to just set everything into place and add back that glow. Then moving on to lashes, I am first grabbing my eyelash curler just to curl my lashes ready for mascara. Once I'm finished curling my lashes, I'm grabbing the Kylash Volume Mascara and I'm just applying that to my lashes. Once I'm finished applying the mascara, I go on to using these half eyelashes from Amazon. I will list them in the description box below for you guys to purchase. I just love using the half eyelashes sometimes when I don't want a full you know, glam look. If I just want something a bit more natural, they're just the easy thing to use, and they're quite easy and quick to apply onto your lashes. So yeah, I'll list those in the description box below. Last but not least, I'm moving on to applying this lip liner from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade called Nutmeg. I'm just lining my lips with this. After lining my lips, I'm also grabbing a NYX long lasting lipstick. It's the Lingerie Push Up and it's in the shade Bedtime Flirt. I really like how it brightens the center of the lips. I love that it gives a vibe of like warm brown, like pumpkin spice. That's what I'm getting from this lip, and I just love how it came out. And then I just furthermore applied that lip liner, Nutmeg, just around the edges, just to complete the look. And that was pretty much, guys, the everyday fall makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do subscribe. I'll leave all of the products that I've used in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.